So these grabbers are like really nice if you can get them. Beats having to bend down like me. So far for me, just beer cans and tissues and stuff like that. Michelle got quite a few diapers. That really just, and the diapers, the weird thing about it was where she found the diapers, they were like 10 feet from the trash can. So whatever parent of the year who left diapers, littered diapers, could have went 10 feet and threw them away in the trash can. So yeah, that's sad. Oh, howdy folks. Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com. Today we're at Bellsmith Springs. We're not just hiking. We're cleaning up trash. It's Thanksgiving Day. We celebrated Thanksgiving with a Thanksgiving breakfast this Thanksgiving, just because it's something different and we like breakfast. So afterwards we thought, why not be thankful and go clean up trash at Bellsmith. So that's what we're doing. Michelle has found a couple of diapers in the upper part. And I found a couple of just tissues and stuff like that. But that's what we do. We think it's good to give back, and what a better way to give back than clean up trash. And I'll take you with me. So stay tuned. Alrighty folks, we went down the stairs of doom. We'll have to go back up them with trash. But we didn't really quite fill up our other bags, but we filled them up enough where we went ahead and left them in the truck and got new bags to bring down here, so we're not carrying heavy bags up, which we'll probably end up doing anyway.
Yeah, but no sense in doubling it.
Yeah, no sense in doubling it. But yep, Bellsmith, good old Bellsmith. We're the only ones here. Of course it is Thanksgiving, and we celebrated with breakfast. Everyone else is eating turkey and taking naps. And we're cleaning up trash, diapers and bottles, stuff that's not supposed to be here. Alrighty folks, down here at the Yellow Trail area. And just wanted to come out here and kind of look at this. There's a tire out there, but I'm not going to be able to get that. It's wrapped up and it looks a little difficult to get to. It's like they put it through a log. Maybe they didn't do it. Maybe people didn't. I'd hope not. But the fog kinda, that's just really pretty. Just a cool reflection here at the jumping spring. If you follow this bluff line all the way out, you'll get to Eagle Falls. Really cool. Just really rugged. So we're picking up a little bit more trash, filling the thing up a little more. The worst part is you can see all the green right here. All that is giant cane, and people put their trash in there, and sticker bush grows in there, and it just wraps around all that cane, and it's just so hard getting in there to get the trash, you know. So it's like the worst place you can litter, you know. Not that anyone watching this would litter, but for some reason, someone who comes out here and throws their trash down, do me a favor, just throw it on the ground. It's gonna be easier for me to pick up. I mean, you should take it to the trash can up top. You know, you should think about what you're doing. But know this, if I ever do find out where you live, I will not hesitate to litter in your yard. So that'd be the one time I litter, and I will take all the trash I find in the Shawnee and I will dump it in your yard. I promise. One can't go to Bellsmith Springs and clean up trash without visiting Devil's Backbone. Man, that graffiti just really gets on my nerves. Eventually I'm gonna come out here and try to clean on it. Alrighty, folks, this is what we got. About, you know, guesstimation, 30 pounds of trash.
A lot of bottles.
A lot of bottles. Picked up a lot of trash up top. Left those bags up here so we can start off on new ones down below. And, you know, filled up them about the same as the ones on top. So, about 30 pounds. Not bad. So, it's pretty clean.
We definitely carried way more.
Yeah, we've carried way more. Some of it has been a struggle. You know, there's glass in one I was going up the stairs and it cut me. I should have got stitches. Yeah. Yeah, it went through a lot of layers to get to me. But it wasn't bad. And, you know, I think mainly it's just people come out here and clean and stuff. So.
And thank you to those.
Yeah, and thank you. Thank you very much. Whoever comes out here and clean, thank you.